Good morning, students. Today I will teach about GDP from 2018 to 19. First, 15.87 agriculture sector. Then 15.87 agriculture, forestry and fishing. Then 29.73 industry sector. Then 2.7 mining quarrying. Then 16.83 manufacturing. Then 2.67 electricity, gas, water supply and other utility services. Then 7.54 construction. Then 54.4 service sector. Then 18.62 trade, hotels, transport, communication and services related to broadcasting. Then 20.96 financial, real estate and proposal services. And last 14.82 public administrative, defense and other services. Okay? Then I am going to study about differences between economic growth and economic development. Okay? First, definition and meaning. It is the positive quantitative change in the output of an economy in a particular time period. Okay? Economic development. It considers the rise in the output in an economic along with the advancement of HDI index, which consider a rise in living standards, advancement in technology and overall happiness index of a nation. Okay? Then concept. Economic growth is the narrower concept. Economic development is the broader concept. Then nature of approach. Quantitative in nature, qualitative in nature. Then scope. Rise in parameters like GDP, GNP, FDI, FII, etc. Economic development, rise in life expectancy rate, infant, improvement in literacy rate, infant mortality rate and poverty rate, etc. Then term, tenure, short term in nature, long term in nature. Then applicability, developed nation, developing economics. Okay? Measurement techniques. Increase in national income, increase in real national income, that is per capita income. Then frequency of occurrence in a certain period of time, continuous process. Then government aid. It is an automatic process, so may not require government support and aid or intervention. Then highly dependent on government intervention as it includes widespread policies. Changes so without government intervention it is not possible. Last, wealth distribution. Economic growth does not emphasize on the fair and equal distribution of wealth income among all its people. Then it focuses on a balanced and equitable distribution of wealth among all individuals and tries to uplift the downgrade societies. Okay, these are the differentiate between the economic growth and economic development. And the last one, the economic policies. There are three types of economic policies. First, agriculture policy. Second, industry policy. Third, new economic policy. Then other, some policies in India. Trade policy, import and export policy, international trade policy, domestic trade policy, then employment policy, then currency and banking policy, then fiscal and monetary policy, then wage policy, or last one, population policy. Okay, thank you students, one more thank you.